Where's the phone, Mike?
Over there.
Well, why didn't you get it then?
You're watching ITV1. We have interrupted normal programming for an emergency broadcast. Please wait patiently. Emergency information will follow shortly. This is an emergency broadcast from ITV. Reports are emerging of unprecedented and dangerous events unfolding in rural areas of Yorkshire, including attacks on historic sites and castles. Authorities have confirmed sightings of unidentified, ancient mechanical creatures of unknown origin. These entities, described as towering and heavily armed, are reportedly causing widespread destruction and significant threats to public safety. Residents in affected areas are urged to remain indoors, lock all doors and windows, and avoid travelling under any circumstances. The government and emergency services are coordinating efforts to contain the situation. However, early reports suggest these creatures are resistant to conventional methods of intervention. If you are in or near rural Yorkshire or close to any castle sites, please evacuate to designated safe zones as advised by local authorities. Emergency shelters have been established, and updates will be provided as soon as possible. Stay tuned to ITV1 for further updates. This is a developing situation. Please remain calm and follow official guidance. Local authorities and military units are on high alert, urging residents in affected areas to remain indoors and avoid approaching these creatures at all costs. Efforts are underway to establish communication with these entities, but their origin and intent remain unknown. Preliminary research suggests these beings might have connections to ancient, long-lost technologies, but this remains unconfirmed. Scientists and historians are collaborating to investigate potential links to regional folklore and archaeological findings. If the research that historians and scientists are doing is correct, it would mean that these mysterious mechanical creatures are over 10,000 years old. It also may mean that our country created the advanced technology that allows these creatures to move around and attack people. Confirmed sightings of the mechanical creatures have been reported in Whitby Abbey, Castle Howard, the Yorkshire Dales, North York Moors and York Minster, with the most infected areas being Whitby Abbey and the Yorkshire Dales. Unconfirmed sightings of these creatures include rural areas of Sheffield, Scarborough Castle and its surrounding areas and Fountains Abbey. That is all the information we have so far. Please stand by for further updates. This is ITV1. We are urging our citizens listening to this emergency broadcast to stop what you are doing and listen to these disturbing reports. It is with our deepest regrets that we inform you that reports have just come in of sightings of these creatures that are not in the Yorkshire region. Multiple reports have come in from Scotland, where multiple groups of these mechanical creatures have been spotted attacking villages and its residents in the Scottish Highlands. More reports of attacks have been reported near the Antonine Wall, and unfortunately there have been reports of an attack on the city of Edinburgh, with reports of casualties in the thousands. There has also been reports of attacks on people in villages in Snowdonia in Wales, attacks on civilians visiting Stonehenge in Wiltshire, and attacks on people visiting...